Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for today. Please use these levels as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. We'll also look at the dollar index and we'll also look at the economic calendar for today if there is any high impacting news coming up, based on which you can decide on your trades. So let us start with the analysis. I'm in dollar index now. When we look at the price action in dollar index, previously it was trading within this trend line, or it was in a very nice downtrend. And here yesterday when you notice it started moving on a bullish side. I've also drawn the trend line which shows that downtrend is over and it is in a very nice uptrend. So even if the index moves on the bullish side, you can notice that we have a resistance area over here. So it has to break this resistance area in order to continue its bullish trend. And we also know that from this it is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. So if the price action fails to break this resistance level, we can expect a break on this trend line or the support line and a downtrend to start. And again when it falls also, we can expect it to take support at the level of 95.23. Still the uptrend has not started. It is just consolidating within this range over here. Let us look at the economic calendar. So today is Wednesday, 9th February, and when we look at the economic calendar, at 7:30 AM we have New Zealand dollar medium impact news, and as we go scroll down, you can look at 9 PM we have a medium impact news for US dollar crude oil inventories. Then as we scroll down at 10:30 PM we have a high impacting news for Canadian dollar. Then following that we have medium impacting news for US dollars also. So plan your trades accordingly. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, it is still trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, and inside the symmetric triangle pattern the currency pair is moving in a very nice bullish trend, taking support on the trend line or the support line. Previously it was moving within a bullish channel pattern or in a bullish trend and took resistance at the level of 1849, and trend reversal happened and took support on this trend line or the support line, and currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. And when we look at the current price action more closely, it has taken support or resistance from the previous trend line or the support line from the bullish channel pattern, and it is showing a red color candle or a sign of trend reversal. And currently the price action is trading within the support and resistance level of 1831 and 1812. These levels had been acting as a very strong resistance in the past also. We can expect these levels to hold and trend reversal to happen from this level. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, I have drawn the parallel line over here. This is where the price action was previously finding resistance or support, and also I have drawn the support line or the trend line. Previously these levels or this channel pattern was acting as a very strong support and resistance area, and currently also when we notice the price action, it is trading within this support and resistance area and also taking resistance at the higher time frame resistance level of 1831. So looking at the current scenario, we can expect the price action to take resistance at this 1831 level and trend reversal to happen. Presently it is in a very nice bullish trend. Only when it breaks this support line or the resistance line, we can expect a trend reversal, but still this channel pattern from the hourly time frame will be acting as a support for now. Only when it breaks this channel pattern, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair, but we also have a higher time frame support level, which is around 1813. So we can expect the price action to take support on this level and range bound market to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels. For hourly time frame, we can expect the price action to trend down, take support on this support level of 1822, and if this support level doesn't hold, we can expect a further fall and take support on the higher time frame support level of 1813. Only when it breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. And currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze a price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is in a very nice bullish trend, going up, retracement, again going up. Currently it is in a retracement, and I am expecting this trend line or the support line to hold. If the price action breaches this trend line, we can expect a trend reversal on the bearish side. And looking at the current momentum also, I have drawn the resistance line over here. The trading space are becoming narrower and narrower, so I am expecting the price action to take resistance at the resistance level of 1831 and trend reversal on the bearish side to happen. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the red color boxes are support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is still trading within a bullish trend, but the ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. Wait for it to take resistance at the resistance level of 1831. Only when it breaks this resistance level, we can expect the price action to test the next level of resistance from the higher time frame. For now, I am expecting the price action to take resistance from the higher time frame resistance level and to have a bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, we know that this trend line or the resistance line is acting as a very strong resistance in 5 minutes time frame, and whenever the price action tests this resistance line, you can notice that trend reversal had happened. So currently also the price action is testing this resistance line and trend reversal has happened, and this trend line or the support line will be acting as a very strong support for now. Only when the price action breaches this support line, we can expect a further bearish trend to continue in this currency pair. And looking at the current trend of the market in 5 minutes time frame, it is in a very nice downtrend and it is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. I am expecting the price action to take support on this support line and then bullish trend to start. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a downtrend or in a retracement. We can expect it to take support on this blue color line, then to continue its bullish trend. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.